Alright, let's just mynd. Ond mae'n ffain os fe'n clywed fi, mae'n da jyst i dweud, mae ddim yn ffain os mae'n...
Guys, pawb follow ni! Follow, beth yw enw ti?
Sam. Dwi'n mynd i mynd gyda...
Fi di roi mas o fanna.
Stingy. Mae jyst i unmute dwi'n meddwl.
David, ti bod?
Ond dwi'n mynd gyda... Dwi'n angen cousin fi dod. Bydd hi'n fisio be? Hedd...
David, fi'n gwneud dim guns.
Oce, bydd hi ddim... Dwi'n angen fel tyres. Dwi'n tyre guy.
Fi'n gallu defnyddio guns.
Dwi'n gwaith.
Guns challenge.
Dwi'n gwaith a dwi ddim di defnyddio fe at all anyway. Let's just drop, you know.
Okay, so fi'n yr unig un sy'n mynd i defnyddio guns.
Yeah, you need some support.
Okay.
Na, pen ni'n mynd i wneud is that pam nhw'n dod, cael tyres a when pam nhw'n build a lan, knock nhw lawr.
Fi'n mynd i follow just in case.
Yeah.
Mae gen i Ripsol. Truck fan hyn, rwy'n ti gallu take o truck.
Yeah. Mynd i'r...
My ping are really terrible.
Yep.
Guys, we got to pick a land second bounty.
Guys, no gun challenge. Ddim yn meddwl ni methu defnyddio bows.
Na, ti gallu defnyddio boards. Yeah, hynna beth fi'n dweud.
Ti wedi dweud boards.
Na, fi'n dweud board.
Ti wedi dweud boards.
Wait.
That's what you said.
Just defnyddio fishing rod ar pobl.
Hynna. Neu harpoon.
Pobl nhw yn y background.
Oh, I think everyone got to find your car.
Oh, yeah.
Mae gen i vehicle cow catcher.
Oh, yeah, a dwi'n cael
Mae
truck.
gen i wheels hefyd.
Fi hefyd. Truck there, yeah? Ti eisiau truck?
Yeah.
Fi'n meddwl mae fancy dal fan hyn.
Dwi eisiau defnyddio pethau so bad. Mae'n literally go epic prime shotgun yn dymethu. Had fi ddim mynd against the rules, so... Pa un... I kilo fe? Un hyn. Let's mynd i... Hogwarada! I let him go now. Wait, do you mean to throw wheels ar...
Ti ddim gallu defnyddio wheels ar trucks.
Well, dod I fi te.
Right. Fi'n meddwl fi'n gallu... fi'n gwybod ble mae'r bounty on.
Bydd hi'n rhoi y cousin fi Hogrider hedd mae'n lyfo defnyddio fe mewn Clash Royale. Ti, Alex. Fi ti'n dweud fi ti'n cael fel cow catcher?
Yeah, mae gen i cow catcher.
Rhoi ar y thingy.
What, ar y ball?
Na, ar y truck.
O na, mae rhywun yn fan hyn.
Oh, mae'n iawn, GD.
Ar y truck. Na, dwi'n mynd I wneud y glitch yna ble ti'n mynd out of a game. Mae rhywun ar fi.
Fi di kill o bounty. Ar ôl hwn, mae Switch yn cael gallu ffordd exotic. A ni gallu gweud mewn tent so mae'n save o dros gamau.
Haha. Get that.
A wedyn pwy ni angen loot da, ni gallu defnyddio.
Oh my! Sut ydy hynny'n gweithio? Right, dwi'n aros am random shark just dod a hito fi
Adra, cow catcher.
Fi'n mynd I mynd I trio...
Shark?
Dar pobl a hefyd mynd I so...
Yeah. Mae rhywun yn steithi ar fi ond fi jyst ignore nhw.
Guys, I'm mynd i shield copio. O, mae rhywun yn seithio fi, dydym yn I ignore nhw.
Fi wedi lladd nhw. Ar y ddarn.
Sut?
Roedd fi'n throw Ripsaw launcher ar y wall, a roedd e wedi mynd trwy'r wall a lladd e.
Wel,
Whoa.
mae Ripsaw ddim yn gun.
Exactly. Mae ddim yn gun. Mae'n launcher.
O, di cael junk rift.
Dyle ti'n mynd all out attack achos ti'n gyda'r guitar lesson.
Y bush. Alright, bydd I angen fwy ei rhywun.
O ie, ydy Cyd yn gallu cymryd dros o ti?
Ie, yeah, pan dwi'n dod nôl de eisiau fe nôl.
Right, mae gen I bounty arall. Belly flop.
Pwy sydd gyda'r brick charger thing yma?
Alright, dod yma. Pwy bynnag sydd eisiau fe.
Ydy hwnna'n ei?
Dwi'n mynd I
Ie.
tarfu, sydd ar gwysio.
Over David.
Ie, fi di nôl na.
Oh.
20 nawr. Di half an hour. Ydy'n half an hour neu na?
Hanner awr.
Guys, the only medium zone.
Yeah, alright.
Swivel it up.
Alright, you know, Charles, Brunaro.
Yeah.
I'm being ordered in now. Oh my god, Mo's literally reached full all of me.
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, os mae bounty, our boys ti, lladd
Big Metal. Why not ruin our place, mate? Oh,
I really
like, Fiona.
why not? Oh, I'm so good. No, you can stick with me.
Oh,
Oh, I'm fine.
fi di ffeindio cousin David.
That, my car was literally on his own. Pedro. Wait, you dialed in what they do for
Ow! Oh, what the hell?
Fi'n annoio cousin David.
Sit.
Fi'n throw bricks all over just after that, I just enjoy.
Oh my god, so far from circle, isn't he?
No, maybe we're not far.
Ow! This game is rubbish. What?
Ni angen survivor, come on.
Mynd I fod yn agos.
Oh, Fi'n...
Dim mor agos ond eitha agos.
Wow.
Fi di survive y storm gyda un help o blaen. A wedyn sydd ar ôl hynna fi di marw oherwydd o blaen fi.
No, okay. Don't do anything with it.
Ydy pawb mewn y zone?
Yeah. You try that, you do one passcode.
He shadowed around.
I'm not going to tell you, it's fingerprint. It's fingerprint as well.
Fi'n ges o'n nhw ddim yn offi cherry
Oh, we're in draw hwnna.
Oh yes!
Oh wait, oedd hwnna'n bounty ni?
Na, roedd e'n pouch.
We're in the kill our bounty ni.
Yeah, roedd e
Don't
ddim
knock
yn
me out
new.
my phone. Give that to me.
I just did.
Did you actually?
Oh, look, ti'n cael hammer.
Oh no. You tried to do the
Fi'n cael
fingerprint.
improved guns. Gyd fi'n cael yw harpoons sy'n mynd i damage. Dwi'n mynd i os ti'n ffeindio Ripsaw launcher.
Fi ddim yn gallu uncroucho.
Fi'n mynd atoch chi nawr.
Now is the time to kill someone with meat.
I can't.
Why?
Because it's
Yeah, why
meat.
not loads of holes in it?
That'd be funny, though.
It's meat. What am I going to do? Throw it at the head?
Are you?
Oh, mae'n nid yn cael Ripsaw launcher.
What's so special about that?
Mae'n really da.
I do.
Yeah.
Didn't ask.
Okay.
How about
Wow, fi ar tree.
I think David and Colleen, we just didn't fill them down.
Spaghetti.
We are max. That's when you
Wow.
Nah, we
Spaghetti.
leave them at max on
Perfect.
restart them.
Perfect, sure, cos o bo. Fi'n gweld rhywun, Drofyna.
Iawn. Ni'n dod.
God.
Ie, mae gen i loads o heals os mae rhywun angen...
Ydy guys di buy off fish stick?
Ie, mae rhywun wedi buy off fish stick.
Mae rhywun yn lan fyna.
Alright, fi'n dod nawr.
Mark nhw? Iawn.
Lan ar the hill.
Fi'n mynd i mynd reit lan ar push rhywun ta.
Oh, best.
Dwi'n mynd i push lan as well.
Okay,
Oh,
fi just need...
neud.
Fi di check o'r nades.
Oh, right.
Fi di cael un o'r... Fi'n meddwl oedd fi wedi gweld...
Fe'n mynd draw fan hyn rhywle.
Let me define.
Oh, nath. Fish stick can get attacked by wolves. Let's go!
Yeah. Screw up.
Fi'n crio oherwydd fi ennill.
Imagine flying.
Lord! Are you gonna count as one of the rounds, like... Neu zero, achos fi di ffilo mewn at the last second.
Na, fe ddim yn cyfri.
What? That bounce.
The bounce of the balls. That one bouncy ball.
It's a USA ball.
So bounce it.
No, it's only called non-kill.
Perfect shot.
It's higher.
Wyt ti'n hold fel awr i mynd?
No. Look at
Imagine
that.
if there was a plane and imagine if there were two towers.
Wait, I could get past the Eiffel Tower easily. Surely.
Go towards the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, done. Oh, wait.
Mae'n y goal right fan'na.
No, come on, no.
I'm gonna bite you.
Wait.
You guys aren't gonna leave the game.
Oh, sorry.
Santa Claus. I have to get a wind.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, over the bridge. Don't even look, touching the bridge.
Fi'n mynd lan i mynd dan level head.
Crazy bounce. Crazy bounce.
What? Crazy bounce? Big bounce? Big baby bounce? Oh, ti ddim mynd I get as far as last
So I
time.
gotta go.
Yeah.
Go.
Mae ddim yn ready o lan.
I'm gonna bite you.
Where?
On your shoulder.
No.
Why?
I don't wanna do.
I'm still gonna bite you on your shoulder.
No.
Nom. Nom. Bigger bounce. Big bounce.
Bang. That's gotta be over the bridge. Oh, that's going over the bridge. No, wait. Please hit the thing again. No. Much. Didn't even bounce.
Right, okay. Oh.
They need mango.
Ble ti eisiau lando? O, sut ydw i'n gwneud? Sut ydw i'n access on the map ar hyn?
Mae'n right ar
O, dau. Ble ti eisiau lando then?
Fi'n suggest o Rave Cave.
Rave Cave?
Rave Cave.
Okay. Ti eisiau mynd Rave Cave? Okay, ni'n mynd Rave Cave. Right, dwi'n mynd I grab a ball o when dwi'n mynd I jump ar lawr. Neu dwi'n mynd ar y roller coaster. Dwi'n mynd ar y roller coaster. Ydy hynna rare chest? No. Fi'n cael y chest hyn.
Beth ydi piano?
My rifle.
But like the automatic sniper on better.
Alright.
The name my dad was like automatic.
Oh, wee! Oh, thank God I didn't beat him
On like
plenty.
8 that goblin.
Yeah, I'm pretty decent. Meow! Oh no. Can we just go along with that?
Be really pretty exotic or pedal team leader.
Right, okay.
Marksman 6 shooter.
Right, basically I'm great.
I'm gonna need triple headshot damage. Mine
So my-
now did headshot damage.
Oh. Damn.
No, dim triple, quadruple.
Quadruple. Oh,
Yeah.
so
Double headshot damage. Yeah.
you do a double headshot. So you do a triple, when quadruple, when double. Basically, yeah. Quadruple, triple, no double.
No, mine, there you go.
Okay. Oh, what do you want? And will always love you. What? And I will always love you. Right, hand loot a Tinker guy. Tinker.
Being how horrible is probably just moving in these zones.
Look how decent-ish loot.
My very
You
best
get
loot.
a great armor and a good sniper.
Great pistol. Exotic pistol.
A great pistol, backpack.
Best weapon.
Yo, how do you even switch off? Oh my god. Do base, do wonder base amount of alt hunter, hunter. I really wonder what base amount of.
Whoa, remember when he took a firefly at me? Oh no.
Oh no, blue AT. Oh, we nowhere near T. They don't track now. Slowly. Alright, os ti'n mynd lan I ti'n tu fewn.
Yay!
Alright, yeah, see how many paths. Yeah, Hurricane will literally mile.
Ti di gael finished band? Like a nudie killer, like a nudie shotgun at ti.
Oh no, you need crash off.
Crash or?
Yeah. My internet account so like rubbish.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Oh.
literally just really lag us so hard.
Oh, ti ddim yn meddwl ti'n mewn the game anymore.
My everything crash off.
My god, we just eisiau mynd nôl lan ar y track. Dyna ni.
Right,
You guys are so far away. It died. No, so far away. Pam and so far away.
Literally like
Meow. Oh yeah, now he just leave off.
mini tree over there.
Bloop, 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 bloop. ti guy? Oh my god.
Metal, which base?
Dominique. We get to fire and blast now.
Sit.
Best control log.
Alright, use the proper controller here.
I did Nintendo Switch controller. My Nintendo Switch controller.
How's cold?
Once y ffrind fi yn like fe'n own a Minecraft round, well used to, beth fe'n gwneud, achos like, y dydd cyn ei fe'n defnyddio Nintendo Switch controller fe'n chwarae Xbox, so fe di get confused gyda A a B, ac so fe di rhoi mewn y command i spawn mewn the Ender Dragon. Achos fe di forget about the Nintendo Switch controls, fe di accidentally spawno fe mewn, a wedyn oedd e di destroy entire top half of y base fe, except am a dog. Y dog di survival. Mine. Ble di the bowler? Ble di the bowler di mynd?
Fi'n mynd i join off.
No! Hwnna'n y bowler fi.
No!
Yay! Yay! Paid a galw fe mewn! Paid a galw fe mewn! Get him mewn, get him mewn, get him mewn! Ni'n dod! Get out of the bowler nôl!
No. Mas o'r bola nawr, neu fi yn gada ti.
The bullet, we're gonna help you through the car.
Oh, yes. Nah, paid it destroy that.
Yeah, destroy.
Oh, mae cael no energy at all.
We're having two balls.
I did ruin of the bowler.
Pathetic.
It's stuck. Ti'n gallu gweld fe?
Destroy the bola.
Fi yn fe'n mewn y bowler. Just gana fe fyna.
Destroy the bola.
Na, dwi'n mynd i gana fe fyna.
But you can get after it.
Yeah, so what? We've been destroyed there, so we can get a mass. And I did keep the bowler and even get a mass.
Ah, just throw the bola.
Na, fi ddim. Fi ddim yn... Dyna ni.
It's finally a boom. That's
car.
it.
Never mind, we don't have to use a car.
Uh-huh. Didn't like it.
Bye.
Okay. Finally,
Sut mae'r sôn yn cael?
Very sauna-y.
With Nintendo Switch would crash off. Well, with the game would crash anyway. You'd buy it and now and your controller.
Oh, no.
Imagine having a tire.
Fi angen bleedi gas can, fi angen gas can, fi angen ffilo fe lan. Dwi'n mynd I ffilo lan y car fi.
Wait, you have to go gas pump then.
Right, fan hyn. Ti'n mynd be, right? Dwi'n mynd I find the cow catcher a rhoi fe ar y ffwrdd wedyn.
Dyna beth ti'n rhoi... Ti'n rhoi nhw ar y lwyn.
At least like...
Buy cow catchers
Damn it.
are blind on cat. A wedyn bydd yn gwneud mwy damage bydd ti'n fawr mewn I rhywun.
Oh, wait, I ran a couple of minis?
A hefyd
So
mwy
nice.
track wedyn bydd yn control fel highlights.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, didn't gweld person. Oh,
You could have...
so close. Anyway,
You could
thank
always the time in Tom Price.
Tom Price.
Yeah,
Beth yw enw?
Tom Price, you know.
O ie, dwi'n gwybod pwy yna. Fi ddim yn gwybod beth ti wedi dweud.
Tom Allen.
Fi... Beth yw fi'n cael sy'n worse than Tom Price?
Amen.
Ew.
Yeah, mae di cael y head shortly.
You got a battle mod.
Nice. Right, dweud I fi os ti'n find a cow catcher.
guess their answer.
No.
Thank you.
My summer challenge is really end of.
Oh, mine's still in summer.
Mae dal yn boiling y beth mae am.
Yeah.
Mae dal, ond ni'n cael heat stroke though. Ddim heat
I
stroke.
like it.
Heat wave.
It's cool.
Roy fan tester. Roedd nhw wedi test y neck fan a un o cheek fans yna. Mae neck fan yn less effective.
What?
Mae'n un o'r most least effective fans in the world.
The battle bus.
A hefyd bydd fi'n edrych am new tyres.
Oh,
Ti ddim gallu siwt y tyres yn y winter.
Damn, bro.
damn, bro.
Hey, yeah.
Fi ddim yn gwneud rhywbeth.
Battle man.
Nah, fi'n fine. Gael fi just gwneud rhywbeth. Dyna ni. Oh wait, wait, land of the supply drop at the battle bus.
Oh na.
Oh yeah, no.
Chaos.
Bit my
Fi eisiau, look, shoot o fel law wedyn land o fe.
Na, mae'n mynd i lando nawr.
Ydy e, fi ddim gallu gweld. Ydy e'n mynd i land o?
Yeah, mae'n about i lando.
Yep, mae'n dod lawr. Yay!
Eh.
Oh god, na. Mae'n land o lawr fan hyn.
Oh!
About 50 cal, bro. Go man, leave it. Oh,
Oh, fi definitely heb yoink o'r gan hwnna.
totally, yeah.
Heavy, sniper.
Oh!
Oh, ydy yna'n person?
That's a
My person! Hello, friend! Friendly friend! Na, fi'n gael y kill.
Wait, but ti'n
I'm on the tree.
Ti'n gwneud y tower to mae'n
He's in a tree.
Yeah, fi go big horrible.
Oh, fe'n cael lightsaber. Na, hwnna. Ddim yn lightsaber.
lightsaber blaster.
You gone?
Quickly, get him mewn a leave nhw behind.
They.
Oh, yeah, dwi'n gwybod hwnna.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
You're knocking down.
no way.
Like this.
I know, that's right. I got it.
Bush camping.
Knock over it.
Bush camping would be like...
Sir, please get...
No, so ti'n cael troi'r ôl Caden.
Probably.
Yeah, probably. Ble did he mynd? Fe'n mynd I dio anyway. Dyna ti.
Carry it. Oh, don't carry things to victory. The whole map is in a storm.
Finally, we actually swap. Now, even also like the worst big dial swap over it. Even like less rarity. Swap. No. I'm taking that.
Impulse grenade.
Oh, we're just to get lasered.
Impulse. You're being shot behind. Behind.
God, God.
Ah, bleh. Get out of here.
Think I was such bad aim.
You were saying... See the eliminate of an arrow.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
probably the person I them actually find out I'm not.
Well, I'm probably going to turn invisible glitch.
Hello. Oh!
Mae'n glitch dal yn gweithio though.
Fi'n cael hard car. Oh wait, you're up now.
Drabble.
Well, right, hold on.
Who's
Oh, he
driving?
mint.
Who's driving?
Cousin David.
David?
They kind of just did ditch tea.
We've seen Gary.
Ruins going to be no, they're cheeky.
No, cousin David.
Nah, because of David driving.
Yeah, they just did drive the bus.
Nah, maybe.
Yeah, then drive the
I
bus.
didn't go here.
And then drive it.
And then they need one.
Damn, bro, we didn't miss all.
Defnyddio Stormtrooper Blaster wedyn bydd ti'n gwneud o miss.
Beth i'n meddwl?
Miss.
Mae actually very cool with though.
Yeah.
Ond mae Stormtrooper Blaster yn mewn i
Dung! Un o gael ei fedro fi...
A rhaid ni di blanio...
Mine? Oh, we can't die! Let's go!
You're gonna die bit.
Oh, na.
Shotgun!
Ah, Tian.
Nah, no double pump though. No double pump. Double pump are like the savior.
No, you have to jump on it.
No. Yeah, I know. Don't know. No, don't know. Don't know.
It's teleporting.
Don't know. Oh my god. Don't know. Yeah. Let's go.
Open here,
Whee!
Yeah, no.
Oh, eat.
Oh, Kaden,
Eat.
my cannon doors.
Wait, oh, yes, let's go.
Look at Monty.
Yeah.
Charge.
Attack.
Charge. Oh, let's go.
GG.
Now, wait. Say do we kill her? Say do we kill her?
Jump off.
Get Vili McCarthy. Oh damn.
Eh,
Vili McCarthy.
kick it.
Done. Challenge swap or control.
Yeah, God.
Ruined anyway.
Oh, ni'n mynd ar y lobby now.
Adam.
Na ti gallu joio nôl. Oh, ti bad wedding. Mae'n di pure.
Like a rugby game, you've been ruling the lobby.
I know.
Have you been in the lobby?
Yeah. Wells?
Nah. Wait, okay.
Oh my.
I just can't skin her now.
Nah.
Oh, I'll speak to you.
Wait.
No, ti ddim mewn y lobby.
Okay, wait.
Alex, ti ddim mewn y lobby.
Yeah, but you're an Edric.
Fe, mae jyst ddim yn dangos am ni.
I ddim yn dangos am fi, why? Like, dim visible.
I know.
Edric mewn y chat, Tinny, Minnow, and Jones.
Yeah, like, ydy fi di
Oh,
asgo.
wait, tiny.
Yeah.
Tiny minnow, Kylie minnow.
There's that one.
I love Aston. Hey, that's class. Wait. Ooh. Kaden.
I'm
crying just the unicorn I'm crying.
Perfect style.
I'm crying.
How is he holding it?
Ooh.
No, can't do that.
Whoa. Control weapon. Flipping there.
What? How does he hold pickaxes?
Ti'n gweld the little slit man the hoof? Yeah, hwnna'n cael vines sydd yn dod mas o totally, and I'm like, ooh, I like wrap all around them. Totally. Believe of it.
Ooh. Marshmallows. Look.
Oh my god.
I'm being possessed.
The pinkiness.
Distraction pants.
Oh, the Henry stick-on stuff. I thought I heard this. I thought I just heard pieces.
Flake shake.
This is what I think of the unicorn.
You find it funny? kind of gay.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah, I'll say it again. Ah. Sorry.
It's a party in my hoof!
I ain't never been with a baddie, She calm, so I added to the tally. Madison bottom. There once was a unicorn with magical feet. That shares yummy rainbows with everyone he meets. They're crunchy and they're chewy and they'll give you charming eggs. Everybody gets some unicorn flakes.
It's a party in my hoof!
With 5 grams of magic and crunch with a punch. Stays crispy and so live until well after lunch. So magic from your hoof until your breakfast favorite breaks. Everybody gets some. La alegría y cosa buena. Hala tu cuerpo, alegría, Macarena. Macarena. There once was a unicorn with magical feet. That shares your tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría. Bala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Bala tu cuerpo alegría. Y cosas buenas. Bala tu cuerpo alegría. Your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want participate. talk about me, you say you're doing this thing though. Yap it up. People want to dap it up, but they can't get none from it. I went to jail and snap it up, at least I had bum money. People wanna walk around me trying to steal my lingo. Just make sure when you talk about me, you say you're doing this thing though. Yap it up. People want to dap it up, but they can't get none from it. I went to jail and snap it up, at least I had bum money. People wanna walk around me trying to steal my lingo. Just make sure when you talk about me, you say you're doing this thing though. Yap it up. People want to dap it up, but they can't get none from it. I went to jail and snap it up, at least I had bum money. People wanna walk around me trying to steal my lingo. Just make sure when you talk about me, you say you're doing this thing though.